students, in this video we will discuss about heap sort. Okay, to arrange the elements in ascending or descending order is called sorting. Okay, by using this heap sort we can arrange the elements in a heap tree in order, sorting order. Okay, so to perform heap sort, the first condition is the tree should be in maximum heap. Okay, then next compare the last node with the or maximum node with the parent node. Okay, and you swap the elements and remove the last node in the list. Okay, first the list tree should be maximum heap, then you compare the maximum node with the maximum node with the parent node, and you make a swap and you check whether they are in order and arrange them in the array and remove the last node in the tree. Okay, or remove after every putting every element in its position in an array, there will be a removal of last node in the tree. Okay, so we will see this with an example. Okay, so this is an heap tree. Okay, now you check whether a given tree is maximum heap or not. See, this is a last non-leaf node where the parent has highest value, next non-leaf node 6 has highest value than its child, and next is 12 where it has maximum value than its child. So this is a maximum heap. Now these are the arrangement of elements in the array 0 to n minus 1, 12, 6, 10, 5, 1 and 9. Next we have to sort this in the sorted order. Okay, now the first step is true. It is a maximum maximum heap tree, max heap tree. Okay, now what is the last node here? 9 is the last node. Okay, now you compare this with root. Okay, maximum element. Okay, what is the maximum? 12. So what we have to do? Swap this element. Okay, now we have swapped 12 with 9 and 9 with 12. Now you check whether 12 is in right position, last position or not. Yes, 12 is the last node. Okay, now we swap like this. 9 is in this position. Okay, in 12th position we put 9 and in 9th position we put 12. Now the 12th, the maximum element is in its position. Now what we have to do? Remove this 12 from the tree. Now this is the array where 12 is in its maximum element is in right position in the array. Okay, now this is the new structure of the tree. The same we are displaying here. Okay, now compare the last element with the root. Now what is the last means here maximum. Now what is this maximum element? 10. Compare with root. So here what we have to do first? Make a swap. Okay, now 10 is here, sorry 9 is here, 10 is here. Okay, next. Okay, this is the next position. After this what we have to do? This is the maximum element. Put this element in the right position. What is its right position? Last node. If it is 12 is in n minus 1 position, and where it should be n minus 2, fourth position. What we have in fourth position according to the list, previous list, here is the n minus 1, n minus 2 position. So we have to put 10 here. Okay, where the 9 should be? 9 should be here. See, first we are swapping 10 and 9. Okay, now where this 10 should be? 10 should be in here, this position. So where is 1? Here. Okay, then what you will do? You swap 10 and 1. Okay, 10 and 1 means what? 10 here. Okay, and 1 here. Now you check what are the positions. 1 is A of 0 position and 9 is second position and 10 is in the n minus 2 position. Now you remove this 10. Next maximum element. Next node. Okay. Next. Now this is the new list. Now now the ordered elements are 10 and 12 and we are removed 10 and 12. Now what we have? 1, 6, 9 and 5. Now the tree will be like this. 1, 6, 9 and 5. Okay. Now this is the array. Now what you do? You compare 9 and 1. Okay. Then you make a swap. 1 here, 9 here. Now actually what is the position of 9? It should be here, last node. That means where 5, here it should be 9. So what we have to do? Swap with 9. So how we will swap? First swap 5 here, okay, and put 9 here, okay, like this. 5, 6, 9, okay, and what we have? 9, no, actually 9 here, okay, 9 here and 5, 1 here, okay. Now what you have to do? Swap with 5. That means in this position put 9, okay, here 9 and 5 here. 1 will be here, okay. Now what happened? 9 is in its right position. Now you remove this node 9, okay. Now what remaining you have? 5, 6 and 1. 5, 6 and 1. This is our new array. Remaining 9, 10, 12 are in sorted order, okay. Now you compare 6 and 5. What is the maximum? 6. Compare 6 and 5, okay. Then what happens? You make a swap 5 and 6. Then you will get 6, 5. So what is the position of 6 actually? Here, okay. Here, this is the array. The position of 6 should be here. So again what we are doing? We are swapping 6 and 1, okay. Now swap 6 and 1. So where is the 6? 1 is in 0th position, 5 is in second position, 6 in third position. Its right position. 6, 9, 10, 12. So remove 6. Remaining what we have? And 5 and remaining here we are swapping, no. So remaining you have 1 and 5. Now again you compare 1 and 5. When you compare 1 and 5, swap 5, 1. Okay. Now actually where this 5 should be? In 1's position. Now again you store 5 in 1's position and then you remove this one. It will be like this now. The tree. Remove this one and remaining element is 1. Okay. Now again 5, 6, 9, 10, 12 are in correct position and remaining is 1. Only one node. So put it in 0th position. Okay. This is called heap sort. Okay. So you try to listen this twice or thrice. Okay.